This hairstyle transformation is an elegant journey from sparse or thinning hair to a sleek, protective low ponytail. The process begins with the careful preparation of the natural hair, starting by blow-drying and brushing the hair to create a smooth base. Next, a hot comb and flat iron are used to gently straighten and align the hair, ensuring all strands are tamed and uniform. Following this, the hair is slicked back using a combination of styling gel and a blow dryer to achieve a sleek ponytail. In the next stage, a lace frontal piece is strategically applied at the front of the head. The adhesive is applied meticulously, ensuring a natural blend between the lace and the skin for a seamless illusion. The edges are styled and set to perfection, complementing the sleekness of the overall look. The frontal piece not only adds fullness, but also protects the natural edges underneath. To complete the transformation, the hair at the back is gathered into a low ponytail. The ponytail is reinforced and enhanced with extensions, which are expertly wrapped and secured around the base for a flawless and polished finish. The extensions add length and a shiny, silky texture, blending naturally with the frontal for a cohesive style. To lock the entire look in place, a mist of setting spray is applied, ensuring long-lasting hold and an impeccable shine. This hairstyle is a stunning example of creativity and precision, designed to protect natural hair while providing a glamorous, sophisticated look. Whether for a special occasion or everyday elegance, this style radiates confidence and beauty.